Here are a bunch more touch marks, some from a while back, some recent. I want to go over the details of getting one made. I don't make these, a professional engraver I know does. I just help to get them made. The price for one of these is from about $100 to $150 US, depending on the complexity of the design. The engraver seems to have raised his prices a bit of late. The shipping for a mark alone is $15 via standard airmail. In order to get one made, you need to send your design in any file that will open in email, and you don't need to reverse the image. Just send it as you want it to appear. You need to also specify the size you want it to be. The design you send need not be the actual size. If your design is hand-drawn, specify if you want it as is or if you want the lines cleaned up. Otherwise, the engraver copies exactly what he sees. The engraver and I cannot design a mark for you. These are made with H13 steel and are for use on hot steel. Using a mark like this on cold steel will shorten its life. But if used correctly, a mark should last for years and/or beyond 1,000 imprints. Please only contact me to get a quote if you are reasonably serious. It's okay to say no after knowing the price, but if you know from the start you likely won't get one and are just curious, please hold off emailing me. Included in the price, I add a little for myself, but I mainly offer this service as a courtesy to my customers and subscribers, and because I really enjoy seeing the interesting designs realized in steel. But if and when this service becomes too much of a hassle, takes too much time out of my schedule, then I may stop as I once did before. I hope you've enjoyed this latest bunch of wonderful touch marks.